Well, that's why the music was still going and you couldn't hear me, because I had my speakers on and I didn't have my mic on. So, we got a couple people here tonight. I'm doing nothing. The wife is out. The kid is out. I got to pick him up in about an hour. I was just going to jump on here and see if I can do a couple things to show you stuff on the site. We lost our viewers because nobody wanted to hang out for a couple seconds. There is a delay. Well, if you come back, you come back. But I'm going to be playing around with this thing to see what we can do. What I actually wanted to do is, hopefully I can, I wanted to show you some stuff on the site. And how the heck did that happen? I lost my chat somehow. I don't know how I lost my chatty chat thing up underneath here. Oh well, no big deal. What I was gonna try to do is let me see if I could switch to scene 3, put this down and lower it, and I wanted to show you guys some stuff on the site. Just if you have a channel on here to make things a little bit better, or not better, this way you can get your channel name up that you want to get on there. And also, I know we're a new site, we really don't have that many people coming to the site, and we're not getting a lot of views on all the videos you're posting up, so let's go through that and how to share and all that other good stuff. We had 3 people here and 2 people left. Oh, boo. Anyway, let's see if it works. I'm waiting for the 30-second delay to pop up so I can actually see my screen, to see if you guys are seeing that infinite freaking loop of my screen just going all the way back. Hopefully not. Let's see if I get rid of OBS. And it looks like you'll be able to see me without the thing sitting there. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to show you was about your channel name. So I'm just going to pop into my account here. For some reason, the software that I have, you would think your name would be your name and user would be, you know, your username, and channel name would be Sci-Fi Fantasy. I messed up putting my name here, but in the other video I showed you, you don't actually put your name over here. You put your you don't put anything here. Ugh, what a night. You just leave the numbers here. This is actually for YouTube. So if you want your channel name to show up, you put your channel name as your name and whatever username you want. I just put both, but if I put Kenny Conklin here, I could put that there. But you want to put your username up over here. This way, not your username, your channel name up over here. This way your channel is your channel from before. And a couple other things I wanted to show you. I'm going to go home. This way I could get back to the live video. Let me get back in the live video. There's my chat again. I'm going to get rid of this little box over here. And we'll get back into the live video. Hopefully I can scroll down. There's no share button or anything over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into a regular video. And let's go to the home. And we'll go into Chris's video. So I'm not going to hit play on it because then you'll hear everything that's on his video. But what I'm talking about is for the users themselves, the most important thing to do, because we are small, is share the hell out of your videos. Right here is the share button. You can click this and it's going to bring up the post, and I could share it already. I did Chris's already. I shared it to my wall. And then you could share it to Twitter if you're signed in, plus your G+. I know G+ is dying, but people are still on there, so you might as well share it to that or wherever else you are. Now, I would share your videos to everybody's group that I'm in, but I don't want to make it look like I'm spamming Sprue Hub on other people's groups around the place. I put it on my groups, I put it on my wall. If you're in a group or you have a group, if it's your video on Sprue Hub and you're in those groups, it's fine for you to share your video all over the place because it's yours. I would share it all over the place, but somebody's going to say you're spamming, and I'm just trying to get my videos out there, which I want Sprue Hub to take off, but I want your videos to get views and seen and more subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, if you're not registered, come and register, and you hit the subscribe button and the notification icon. You got to double tap the notification icon. Every time there's videos up, new videos, you'll get notification that there's a new video on the site. So let's go back over here, jump into here, hit play. I'm the only one watching myself right now. So that's pretty much it on that. I just want to make sure you guys are getting views and all of that other good stuff that's out there. So I'm going to jump back into the craziness and bring myself back up and throw that back down. That's the only thing that sucks about when you're doing live stream. You can't just jump onto the live feed like that without getting all that back feed on it and all that other good stuff. Excuse me. Well, I'll show you what I've been up to. I'm working on, I don't want him, he's magnetized down, but there's Frankie over there. He's on the board. He's magnetized this way. If I have to move, when I move, I don't want his legs breaking or anything like that, so I can actually pull him up. I'd pull him off, but all the magnets from underneath would fall off because they're not glued in place yet. And I don't know if you can see it. I actually took popsicle sticks and I cut all the popsicle sticks down and I put them on the board over here. I glued them down with this stuff. I was going to use epoxy, but I figured out, let me try this stuff first, DAP, if you can see it. And in seconds, the glue and the wood was just solid. Then I just marked off little areas I wanted the nails. What I did was I used pins and I pinned down, I put them through, I used that same DAP glue and I put all the nails in. Now I know this end is missing here, but this is going to go further off for the diorama. Now I'm going to try to do it. Let's see how strong his magnets are, and then I'm going to let go of his head. But yeah, there's Frankenstein. He's all hung upside down and staying there, and there's a bunch of magnets under there just to hold him on, make sure it's nice and strong. So that's what I'm up to with him. Tomorrow I'll do some more work on him and order some electronic parts and stuff like that. So I see nobody's coming around or anything like that, so I figured I'll just go now and say goodnight, and then maybe we'll do a live feed. I'm looking at the actual video from OBS, and it's not that clear. XSplit definitely has much better picture resolution. I may have to play with the resolutions on this and see if I could get a better resolution out of the camera. Well, I was hoping somebody would jump on and hang out with me tonight, but that's alright. We could do it another night. I didn't set anything up. Oh, that's another thing. If you... Let me jump back over to the scene 3 for a second. Let's get rid of that. If somebody's watching your video and you're getting the bouncy, which I'm surprised I'm not, over here, the little hamburger, as I like to call it, I got that term from my brother Tommy, they probably have this whole side screen open. Just tell them to get rid of that, and then it'll go full screen, and you can see my ugly mug even closer, and then the bouncing will stop. The echo, I don't know what that is. That's nothing on our side, so hopefully somebody figures out what that echo is, and they can get rid of that. So let's jump back over to scene number 2. That's me. I'll bring that down. I can make my hamburger small because it doesn't affect me. Oh well, it's almost 10 o'clock, kind of late. I was hoping to see some people, but no, everybody's sleeping or partying. I hope you have all. See, this is what happens when you're doing it live and you can't edit and cut out all your mistakes. So I hope you guys have a great night, and just testing this out again, and we'll see you all soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.